Um, he's fine. I can wait. Um, my name's Noah Cooksey. I am a instructor here in the Adult Education Machine Shop program. I went through machine trades here at C-TEC when it was still in the high school phase. I graduated in co-op and went to work right away during my senior year, and then started full-time as a machinist the day after graduation. I came to C-TEC while still working in the field. I came to help out part-time as an instructor in the evenings. I would work here 2 or 3 days a week after I got off work, and at that time one of my other fellow students was working here, and he has since taken an administrative position, but I came in and helped, and about a month or so into helping out, they offered me a full-time job here, opportunity, I should say. And I took it, and I've been working here for just about 3 years now as a full-time instructor. I teach a lot of our specialty and customized training off-site, but now I'm coming kind of back into the shop more, helping lead the adult education program. So if you come through the Adult Education Machine Shop program, you learn everything from the basics of blueprint reading to precision measuring instruments and basic manual machine trade skills. So operating, maintaining manual machines such as mills, lathes, drills, drill presses, saws, grinders, bench grinders. And then after that, you go into the advanced machining, which is manual machining, but more tighter tolerances, intricate parts, tougher blueprints to interpret. There will also be CNC. So in CNC, computer numerical control, we will be learning how to read and write G&M codes, which is the programming of a computer for a machine task. So it would be consisting of a series of numbers and letters as codes for the machine to understand its movement and operations to produce a machine part. NIMS credentials. It is the National Institute of Metals. They get those credentials that are nationally recognized, along with different things that we like to call practicals. Practicals will be signed off by instructors, completion of different projects and labs and exercises and different tasks and areas inside the machine shop. A typical day for a machinist in the adult education program would be classroom work and then exercises and hands-on lab and projects. So at the beginning, if you're starting at the blueprint side, you will have a lot more classroom work, and then towards the end of the blueprint section of the machine trade class, you will have more hands-on projects with measuring instruments and such. And then every single section of the program after that, such as basic, advanced, and CNC, there'll be more involved hands-on and projects. When a student finishes the program, they will be able to understand basic machine trades tasks such as producing a part with general tolerances to semi-tight tolerances. They will also be able to understand the different intricate parts that it takes to create a product on a CNC or manual machine. So places a graduate of the machine program can go work for are local shops such as Ashcraft Machine and Jimco Machine. There's also Burden Machine in Newark. We also have higher end places like Aerial Corporation. There's Schaefer Drive Shaft. There's also places such as B&G Tool and Die in Upper Arlington. There's many machine shops throughout Licking and Knox County and Franklin. It's pretty open door to being able to get in and talk with those people. If you are a graduate machinist, earning capacity can be very vast. It can start at $15 to $20 an hour and can end up being at $30 to $35 an hour, possibly around this area. But I do know in certain areas of the U.S., such as NASA, they can make upwards of $50 to $100 an hour. It is not very difficult, I would say, as long as you have a good attitude to find a job as a machinist. Always be willing to learn and take on new tasks. But throughout my career, I have lost a job due to bankruptcy and layoff during my 15 years. And both those times, I was only without a job for no less than 3 weeks. I've always had multiple job offers every time I went out to look for a new job, or jobs have came looking for me along within my career also. We meet as the program starts from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Thursday. If you are interested in joining us in the machine trades, you can contact Kyle Fulton from email at kfulton@ctec.edu, or call him, or just contact C-TEC in general, and they can put you in touch with him, and he can start the process of interviewing you and applying you towards the machine trade program. At least one that I can think of is a former student that came through the program, now helps out with us in the CNC side of things as a aide or an instructor when he's not working part-time.